Before hacking into any network, we need to learn some network basics. So for that reason, in this video, we're going to learn some network basics so that you could actually get familiar about what a network is and how it actually works. So with that being said, let's get started. So what is a network? Network is basically number of devices connected together. For example, in this image, we have 5 networks, and let me just show you what are those. So this is a network in which there is a server which is actually connected to 3 devices. So in total there are 4 devices, 1 server, 1 mobile phone and 2 computers. And this is another network, and this is the third one, brothers, and this is the fourth one, and this is the 5th network. Got it? So in total there are 5 networks. Now let me just get rid of this 5 red lines, and now we are going to consider this particular network which has 4 devices. So in any network we have a single server, and this server will have access to internet. So basically in this network, this is the server which has access to internet. So this particular server will be having access to the internet, and these clients, that is mobile phone and 2 computers, cannot access internet directly. They can only access internet with the help of server. In any network, server is the one which has access to internet. Got it? Fine. In Wi-Fi networking, this particular server is nothing but router in your home. So this is nothing but a router, mates. This is a router. I'm not a great artist, so bear with me. So I'll just denote this with a capital R, and I think that's fine. So this is a capital R. So this is a router in Wi-Fi networking, which is actually server. Got it? And server is the one which has access to internet. Fine? Well, now say that this particular computer want to access google.com. So now this particular computer sends request to the router saying that, hey, I want to access google.com, and this particular router receives the request and sends this to internet saying that, hey, I want google.com. Now this internet sends response to this server saying that, hey, here you go, this is google.com. And now this particular server sends response to this computer saying that, hey, here you go, you have your google.com, and now this particular computer can access google.com. And this is how it works. This is how you access internet in a network. And in wireless networking, all these requests and responses are actually being transferred in the form of packets. So you send request to the server in the form of packet, and the response that you actually get from the server is also in the form of packet. The router generally releases the packets into the air, and if your computer is in the range of these packets, you can actually sniff those packets and access that particular website, access that particular data. So this is how network works, guys, and I think you're now familiar with it, right? So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching this video, and in the next couple of videos we're going to learn what is MAC address and how to change MAC address, and after that we're going to learn how to hack into Wi-Fi networks. Till then, see ya.